Hello, hello. Hi,
Hello.
Christopher.
Hi. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
Yeah. Um, I'm gonna send you just some talking points. Just give me 1 second. Actually, no. Yeah, I'm going to just send you some talking points so you can so there nothing comes out of the ordinary. Um, and yeah, thanks for coming on to the podcast. Let's
I'm excited. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah. Are you calling from Europe or where are you calling in from?
Yes, from Central Europe. Yeah,
Central Europe.
Hungary.
Oh, Hungary. Oh, I love my wife and I we were in I love it's a beautiful city. The spa, the pool baths. We that's Budapest, I think. Are you in Budapest or no?
Northeast. Uh,
Okay.
a bit far from
Okay.
Budapest, but yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, so these are kind of the talking points, just so that nobody gets caught off guard, but again, it's just a fireside conversation, and I'm happy to talk with you. So, uh,
Yeah.
yeah, do you have any questions or anything before we get started or anything or
Yeah, I'm just going through the talking points. All looking good. Yeah,
looking good? Okay, good.
definitely.
Um,
Definitely.
okay. All right, I'm just gonna get my screen set up here. And so we got okay. And let's see here. Okay, so and then your name is Gabor Kriston, right?
Gabor Kriston, yeah.
Okay, all
You're
right.
pronouncing it right.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to do this and then here. Sure, everything is good. Everything is good to go. Um, okay, perfect. Go live. Hey guys, Happy New Year. I've got a fantastic guest for you today. For calling from Hungary. We're live from Houston, Texas in Hungary, and we've got a fantastic guest, Gabor Kriston, and he's going to share his journey from a tech enthusiast to becoming a globally recognized digital marketing expert. Today, we're going to be talking all about SaaS. We're going to talk about digital marketing, artificial intelligence. I really love people on the cutting edge talking about this, and I'm happy to welcome Gabor to the show. Welcome, Gabor.
Thanks for having me, Christopher. I'm excited about this conversation.
Yeah, we connected through this wonderful platform called Podmatch and share. I love setting the stage, the groundwork, priming the audience for what's to come. They can get motivated, inspired about the conversation.
Yeah, Podmatch is great. It's always fun to talk exceptional hosts like you, and hopefully we could get a ton of value for the audience.
Yeah. Yeah. So share your journey from tech enthusiast to become a globally recognized digital marketing experts, and we'll dive right into it.
Great. So the journey has been long, exciting, and there are many lessons learned along the way. I've got into the online space 12 years ago. I had a business idea, and then I was looking for uh, people who could make it come true. I was asking for a couple of quotes. Hey, I want to launch this portal. How much will it cost? And I got offers ranging from free to six, $7,000, and then they were dropping names like this platform and that platform, and I was
Yeah.
like, okay, this is gonna cost a lot. I don't have a sound business yet. What does it take to make it happen? And I was looking into all these platforms, and I was able to do that side by myself. And that was like a major enlightenment. I was like, hey, I was able to make this business happen out of thin air. If some people would have charged me 5, 6 grand, yeah, this could be a lucrative business on its own. Like if I made it happen to myself, why wouldn't I have to others? And that business idea ultimately flopped, but I had this learning that I could, make these things for other businesses who would be willing to pay money for it. So that's how the journey got started. I got my first few paying clients, and then I got deeper into, uh, what does it take not just to build these sites, software, but market them and, be on the forefront about how to sell online. So yeah, we were expanding our services outside of just building the sites to marketing, and then we got good successes for our clients. And then the next breakthrough basically came when I delved into more about sales funnels, and I got into world of Russell Brunson, and I started consuming all the courses, and yeah. Uh, that learning really paid off. Like I managed to have multi-million dollar companies, SaaS companies, educational companies, and that's a way to make an impact on the world, not only through your business but through the business of your clients. And yeah, recently uh, I had the chance to compete against Russell Brunson himself, and we became the top agency in that competition, and we have outconverted Russell Brunson, who I was learning from. So that was an exciting experience.
Yeah. Yeah, one that's what I love to hear more about that how you because it sounds like you use software. I'm sure you used AI to do that. Kind of share a little bit about you've been at the forefront of software development and you approach innovation in such a competitive field. And the impact of AI as well. I'm sure you use those. So, can you explain more on how you did that to and also
Yeah,
win this competition?
yeah, absolutely. So I think our company has a unique perspective. I learned marketing, and then I got into software development, and then went back to learning more about marketing. I learned some user experience design. So there's a blend of knowledge from these fields, and it really helps us to look at any project, any challenge from a different point of views, and have create our own perspective. And yeah, AI is taking on, you really can't avoid what's happening in this field of artificial intelligence. It's a force multiplier. Yeah, you're still doing the same things that you've been doing earlier, but at a much higher pace. You're able to accomplish much more. And I had this insight that AI has been trained on all these data sets, and people still use it mostly for content generation, but it's basically creating content even if it doesn't have the context. But because these AI models are basically large language models and they understand language really well, what they are best at is actually analyzing information, because then they can work from the exact context. Yeah, so they're not generating fluff and making things up, but they are analyzing actual actual content. So that ties into our results in the funnel games, because basically I use AI to to analyze the landing page we had to redo and out convert to find the flaws, like find the flaws in the argument, what makes some pieces of the marketing copy not that believable. And if you're able to close those argument gaps, basically you make the whole argument more compelling. So just as a test, anybody can throw in any marketing piece into like ChatGPT and just tell ChatGPT, find the argument flaws in this uh, copy, and it will find it for you. And now you can refine that marketing copy until it doesn't have any flaws at all. Yeah, so it can finally sell the thing you want it to sell. So I think this is the best use and most accurate use of AI. And content generation works really well, but you have to feed it the right context. And yeah, ultimately this was huge advantage for us to get this result in the competition.
Yeah. Yeah, I love that. Kind of the next question is this idea of kind of looking ahead. Where do you see the biggest opportunities and challenges in the online marketing industry? How do you plan to align your future projects with these trends?
So with AI, that be continuing uh, rise of AI generated content, and that human touch will be vital to stand out. So you can use AI to generate a lot of your content, but you have to put your face out there. We're not only talking about AI generated text, but AI generated imagery, which at this point is at the level of photorealism, and you can't really tell like what's real and what's not real anymore. So you will need that human touch to remain believable. You have to put your face out there. So I really encourage everyone, and I'm on this path to try to produce short form content at first,
Mhm.
and put my face to my business, because they still know that, hey, this guy is real. I'm not just watching AI generated videos, stock videos, or reading AI generated text. And there's a hint, you can still use AI to generate your content pieces, but at least you have to be that as the actor who who talks those uh, you know talking points out. So yeah, I feel you have to be visible, put your face there, master at least short form video, so you can be real and build that personal connection with your audience.
Yeah. Kind of ending it out. How do people check out your book, find out more about you?
Yeah, so I built this site called funnel.expert. Uh, just as I'm saying, funnel.expert. And I built this to really give back some of my learnings and make it publicly available for those who are starting out, who want to know more about the online marketing world's best practices. And in this site, I basically cataloged multi-million dollar generating sales funnels. So if you are building any kind of business, I encourage you to look up this site, find the right funnel to model that are already generating great revenue, because they have done the testing on their own expenses, so you don't have to. So yeah, that's a great resource. Check it out, and hopefully it will serve you well.
Yeah. And for all the audience out there, let's thank Gabor for coming on and sharing his knowledge. and all of his resources will be in the links and show notes. And with that, thanks so much for coming on to the podcast.
Thanks for having me, Chris. Bye, everyone.
Uh, all right. Excellent. Well,
Great.
yeah, thanks for coming on.
Yeah, it was